Why does your scanner show the P018C engine code? What does it mean? P018C is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel pressure sensor B circuit low. This engine code indicates that this issue can stem from a faulty sensor, damaged wiring, corrosion, or even a clogged fuel filter. Common symptoms include the check engine light illuminating, hard starting, or intermittent fuel delivery issues. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel temperature sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, loose or corroded connectors, faulty PCM, incorrect fuel system maintenance. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, and Chevrolet Silverado models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.